Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today I say indoor unit. Problem is not coming the air, so keep stay with me. Too much hot, also too much jam the motor. I need to bring in motor in the repair shop, then again fix it. Must clean the stand because I need to remove motor from the blower. That's why I clean fast. Already removed the motor from the blower. I bring the motor repair shop. Now change the bearing. Then again I going to the fix it. Already repair, now I fix it. Alhamdulillah, now okay. Thank you guys for watching my video. If you like, then follow and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.